I work for Bluebird Expeditions and ako ang isa sa mga nagplano nitong first of the many trips that we're gonna have. So this 2024 is we're trying to establish different locations buong Palawan, starting here in the south and then up into the north and then following months. So, itong expedition na to is 5 months in the making. 5 months in the making, plinano namin logistics, plinano namin yung lahat. Kasi medyo, actually, ang lugar natin is more closer to Malaysia than it is to the Philippines. So, if you can imagine the difficulty and the logistics that comes with it.
So, guys, papunta na kami sa may airport. So, yan, kasama ko na si Sir Bogs. So, exciting. Punta na tayo ng Palawan.
First of the many fishing villa tour. So ang ating first stop is Palawan. So hopefully maganda yung result para maganda yung take off from the succeeding fishing tours.
Yes.
Cool. So see you sa airport.
Yung mga gamit namin, pina-LBC na 2 weeks ago. Pero ito may dala pa kami. Ito. Laki niyan. So, kung tama yung kalkulasyon ko. Kaya Chris, ano ba tayo? 5 days talaga sa boat or 4 days?
5 days.
5 days.
4.5 days.
4.5 days.
Nandito na tayo sa airport, so hahanapin muna natin yung gate number natin para sa ating flight to Palawan,
Puerto gate.
On board na kami. Flight for Puerto Princesa, Palawan.
Hello, I'm Sam, pro staff ng Fishing Villa, and I'm also part of Bluebird. Itong trip na to ay napag-usapan 5 months ago, and we planned this trip para ma-open yung area natin, yung Balabak sa international market at ma-experience na ng mga anglers yung abundance ng mga isda dito. Also, yung preparation na ginawa dito ay maraming set of meetings, maraming planning, maraming fact checks, and yung mga kailangang i-organize na kudos to Bluebird with the leadership of Sir Romel. Siya ang nag-initiate talaga ng trip na to, with the help of Sean, syempre. And also, nung mga kasamahan natin from Fishing Villa, sinamahan tayo dito sa trip na to para i-explore together yung lugar. And buti na lang talaga, sumami sila. Yung mga kaibigan sa airport, punta natin sila. Andyan na. Silipin lang natin.
Okay, we're here in Palawan. Morning goods, kahit hindi morning goods to Brother Sam.
Well, sir.
Okay, Team Bluebird. Team Bluebird.
Alright, dito tayo, sir.
Eto, gigreet ko ng morning goods kahit hindi morning.
Always morning goods.
So the exploration is very exciting. The spots are very productive. Although I understand this is the first exploration in this island, we were able to be permitted by the local authorities because we told them that we will be exploring the area for future tourism project. And I will support that future endeavor by Bluebird. This spot is really productive. There are a lot of fish and there are monster fish, although we still have to catch one. We will still look for productive spot and we will mark them for future exploration.
Ruby, laki!
Ruby.
Yeah!
Para Ruby natin.
Yes!
Alright.
Where's Balabak fish?
Double
Anong pangalan?
Etet po.
Ilang taon?
30 po. Sa totoo lang, alam ko naman talaga makakahuli ko ng malaki. Palawan to eh. Saka sa tingin ko, di, talagang swerte lang. Hiwalay na gano'n. Katawanan na dito tayo.
Oh, ano pre? Fish on! Ano? Sabi sa'yo, meron eh. Ano yan? Butete? Krokodil ah. Ano to? Basugo.
Another highlight of the day is that Etet managed to catch his first fish on jig.
Ito na! Ano mo yan?
Camera malalaglag.
Malaglag? So, sorry. Hawak lang. Hawak ko na lang.
Palit kayo, palit. George, sa ilalim.
Pambayabas mo! Pagpinto mo tayo habang nagano ka, angat ka.
Ikot. Yan, pagbaba mo, ikot mo. Yan.
Ayaw mo yan!
Huwag kayo magpatawa! Diyos ko! Nakihina ako!
Oh, may ulan lang siya, pre! Pag-isi, pre!
Mag-isi! Bitawan nyo nila! Nakamulan!
Yun lang na, Mel!
Yes! Damit!
Ganti na lang!
Yes! Ang laki! Yes! Best MVP dito! Sino mas malaki? Oh! Laki! Ilan araw bago nakuli?
Tatlo!
Hindi tayo makalimutan yung linya!
Oh, yung linya!
Day 1, kwento namin yung day 1 namin. So, day 1 of the expedition, we're expecting strong breeze according to the wind. And, you know, yung pagka ganyan na gipitan na, hindi na pwedeng i-cancel yung lakad. So, we compromised. Tinira namin kahit malakas ang alon. And then, found our way sa mga locations na target namin talaga. So, day 1, have a couple of rubies. Meron din kami mga sagisi. And day 2 is mostly sagisi day. And sagisi is jobfish, rusty jobfish. But this one's different. It has yellow on it. I don't know the specific.
Oh, Kison! Big fish!
Malaki po!
Yun!
Nakapuputol!
Yun! Okay na. Sadjat lang yan eh.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yun!
So day 1, ano lang yun, parang nag-introduction lang tayo sa lugar. Testing the waters, literal. Sinusubukan natin lahat ng pwedeng gawin. At kahit medyo may kalakasan yung hangin at alon, pati agos, we managed to fish, no? And then day 2, yun, naka-hook up si Mike Yumang ng big fish talaga. Sobrang laki.
Lapit na to. Kumukuha pa na ninyo.
May kumagat sa akin na hindi ko alam pero mabigat. Hindi ko alam kung ilang kilo, sabi nila nasa 3 digit daw. Pero ang laban namin ay nasa higit 1 hour ata. More than 1 hour. After 1 hour, hindi talaga kinaya.
So, sobrang laki, kinailangan niya ng another lefty jigger, which is ako. So, pinagtulungan namin. Unfortunately, kahit 3 beses kami nagpalitan, hindi namin kinaya. Nanalo pa rin yung isda.
Meron tayo ng hook up na napakalaking isda. Pag ako yung nakakahita ko mga 30 centimeters, bawi siya ng mga doble.
Eh, naputulan ako ng line.
Lahat na lang pwedeng gawin.
And that's more than an hour of fight. If I'm not mistaken, nasa 1 hour 40 minutes or close to 2 hours. So yun, hindi natin nakuha yung isda. And same, after lumipat ng another spot, ako rin nakahook up ng monster. Nawalan ako ng chance labanan yung isda kasi diretso yung takbo niya.
My goodness!
Hanggang sa inabot yung line ko sa lumang part, yung may mga gas-gas, pumutok. So meaning, yung in-expect namin ng mga monster fish na nag-lurk under the channels of Balabac, nag-exist sila. We just did not see them kasi hindi na pa natin sila nailanan. But hopefully in the future trips, kaya makikita na natin, nasisilayan natin kung gaano kalaki, ka-diverse pa ng waters na ito.
Hinawakan ko yung reel. Grabe ang init. First time nangyari to. Hindi naman mainit na nakakapasok, pero maligam-gam. Pero siguro kanina right after ng fight, nainit talaga siya.
Okay, so we're wrapping up the day 3, guys. We started the day very slow. We fished in our predetermined spot number 4. It was a bit slow, although we managed to catch some snapper, grouper, but not as productive as yesterday. So in the latter part of the day, we hit some school. So we catch left and right from that spot. We had snapper, grouper. We were as well able to land some jack.
Sa side na to, itong hilera na yan, lahat nagkaroon ng huli at strike. Pero magkakadikit nga lang, pero sulit naman kasi ang dami nang nahuli. Ayun. Sunod-sunod dyan mga kaibigan. Power.
On the second day, Mike Yumang hook into another monster. Kaso na unhook bago ito naman third day natin, meron na naman tayong chance into a monster.
The highlight of the day is I managed to hook up a monster fish. We fought it for an hour. I got pulled out almost. A good thing the team is able to maneuver the boat. So kudos to our captain. We managed to run over the fish.
Nagkakabulong mga bata. Right.
But towards the latter part of the fight, we thought we would already land the fish.
We are gaining line, no? Gaining line. Abante lang, abante! Lapo-lapo! Ayan! Yan na! Woo! Mga ta! Yes! Yes!
around 30 to 50 meters, and then it had another run.
Ayun! Ayun! Diretso! Lumutang dun! Saan? Ito na! Andito na! Ito na pala sa harap! Gancho! Atras! Atras! Pagano'n! Kaliwa!
And it went under the boat, and our line snapped.
Oh shit, guys!
Ay! Puta! Patay! Wala na! Kumama!
Oh!
So fish won again today, but it was fun with the whole team. So for us, it's as well a win, although we did not catch the fish.
Okay lang! Bukas pa! Uy, sayang. Next time! Una yun.
It proves one thing, that this area we're in right now has monsters on it. So this is very crucial para sa pag-establish natin ng ating mga target location for the chartering this season and the following season. So at least we know that monsters exist in this area in general.
Pero alam mo, Kuya Chris, at least di tayo bumangga dyan, no?
At least hindi tayo bumangga sa barko.
Ayan, no? Laki, oh.
Alam mo nagdala? Ha? Yung medyas ko, mula day 1, ito na suot ko. Oo, ito oh. Walang palitan yan. May dala akong sapatos pero naka-medyas lang ako dito sa mukha. Ayun, brief. Hindi, nagpapalit naman ako. Magtatlo nga lang yung medyo pinapahanginan ko lang yung pinalit ko. And then, pahanginan ulit yung kabila.
Oo, nagya kayo.
Ano, masaya. Sa totoo lang, masaya talaga. Kakaiba. Alam mo, first time ko to. Sa boat, day 1, lahat nakakahuli na. Ako, hindi ako makapag-balance sa bangka. Nakakapit lang ako doon sa bintana, oh. Pangisi-ngisi lang. Hindi ko mabuhol. Hindi ako makapagbuhol. Di ba ikaw pa rin nagbuhol? Tapos, nung pag-drop ko, wala talaga akong balance. So, natulog lang ako nung day 1. Day 2, meron na akong balance. Kaso, hindi naman ako marunong mag-jig.
Ano yan? 80 grams. Sigurado ha?
Hindi, nung gabing yun, tinuruan ako ng Sir Bogs kung paano yung tama. Mas ngayon day 3, ayun, napagsama-sama. Saka pinilit ko na, sakit na rin ang katawan ko.
Galingan ko, te! Marami kang pansit!
Yan.
Pag bibigyan ng Palawan!
Andito kaming lahat, oh. Palabak on!
Yung kanina, nahihiya lang ako kay Sir Bogs eh. Tama yan! Ano na? Sobrang sakit na ng katawan ko eh, nakakahiya lang. Tama yan! Ganun ako, ganun. Tapos nung pagod na ako sa kumagat. Walang-wala na ako lakas, sabay kumagat. Kakaiba na ako pag gano'n ang butang ina mo. Tapos sabi pa yata ni Kuya Big, sabi, ikarak mo! Ayaw gumalaw! Ay, ganyan na ako! Ikarak mo! Sandali! Pahinga lang! Pero, tapos nung umangat yung isda, di naman pala ganun kalakihan. Ang alam mo yung estimate ko 2 digits.
Congrats!
I'm proud of you!
With the reputation of the location, we as well had to do some research on the area. Some anglers from Malaysia are going near the location.
Sa left side natin, kung makikita sa video, dominant yung island ng Pilipinas. Pag lumayo ka sa kanan mo, yan. Dito banda, meron na silhouette ng malaking island yun. Ano na yan? Ibang bansa na yan.
we're quite excited with the exploration, and we're expecting really to catch really good sized fish. It's a long preparation by the team. It was planned by Bluebird and Team Fishing Villa that we will do the exploration, and then from our side of the team, we pre-selected some representative angler that would join the trip. I think Bluebird had the idea, same idea. In terms of gear, we really prepare to bring lots of options. We mostly take with us some jigging gears. We as well brought some trolling gears and some casting gears. So we did already the 3 different fishing styles. So we jig most of the time. We did some light jigging. We also have shore jigging, shore casting, boat casting, and we managed to hook up a tuna from a trolling. So you have all the option in this location.
We really think holds monsters on it, and fingers crossed talaga, fingers crossed. We come across one.
We are hoping sa mga susunod na trips, no, mas ma-explore pa natin yung mga possibilities na ng mga spots na mas productive pa.
From Team Fishing Villa and Bluebird, I'm recommending you guys to try to fish in this location. There are still many things to explore here. I think the location is quite virgin yet. Even us, we have to everyday plan where we're going to, although we have some predetermined spot, but depending on the circumstances, we have to adjust.
Gusto namin kayong lahat imbitahan sa aming tours, Bluebird Expeditions. We don't just have fishing, meron kaming wild whale shark encounter, meaning by wild, hindi namin ito pinapakain. We don't use chumming para to attract them. And we have firefly tours, and of course, this fishing trip. This is a fishing safari.
Still, we are hoping na makahook up pa ng monster. So you dream fish ng bawat isa, hopefully dito nila makuha. Of course, trophy fish is a trophy fish, di ba? Sino ba naman ang tatanggi doon?
I think in the future, because of different exploration, we will manage to make the trips more interesting to different anglers. So I hope Bluebird will continue to give anglers some opportunity to fish the location. And if you need gears, you can go to Fishing Villa Tackle Store, and we can support you with your gears.
In Puerto Princesa, we do have day charters na i-offer, and meron kami mga within the day locations or a couple of day na excursions. It depends really on your itinerary, kung anong gusto nyo klaseng target na fishing. And yeah, please check out Bluebird Expeditions, and props to Fishing Villa, our Team Fishing Villa, for pag-provide ng gamit and for joining us in this expedition. Napaka-sayang kasama, and marami tayong mai-release na materials and collaboration with Fishing Villa and Bluebird. So, solid ang mga team natin dito sa ano na to.
This fish deserves another angler.
Yay! Woo! Yay!
Yes!